Americhem was established in 1972. Being in this industry, you really have to have a strong handle on your logistics costs. And that's something that we needed to get our hands around really as quickly as possible. You know, pre-Headlight Solutions, there was just always issues and unplanned deliveries and things that would get missed. And within dispatching, there's definitely a few hurdles. One is just specifically the number of locations and optimizing the route as efficiently as possible. But then you take into account all the unique customer needs and demands. And then we have multiple types of hazardous products that we're shipping. So you kind of put all that together and you really have to operate a pretty complex logistics company. So from a technical standpoint, the amount of resources that we had to allocate here from Americhem's standpoint was really limited. I mean, most of the data that we needed was already in chem packs. You need to have certain information to ship hazardous goods. So we were able to just grab the information that was already in there, and then we transferred that over to Headlight Solutions app. And we really didn't spend much time building the software program with Headlight. It was a turnkey solution. The scale-up time was within weeks of first introduction to Headlight. Headlight Solutions customer support's really been fantastic. It's not a long wait time. We usually hear back within the next hour at most. If it's an urgent issue, it's taken care of immediately. And you can tell that the people at Headlight really want to see their product perform and grow. Since adopting Headlight, we've automated several processes within the company that were manual, handwritten processes. One being how we load our trucks every day. We call that a load list. That's now automated. We've also really just been able to get a better handle on our data, and we've been able to make smarter decisions. And in the world of logistics today, where drivers are so valuable, their time is so valuable, you just can't afford as an operator or business owner to not maximize that resource. So before Headlight, we were dependent on tribal knowledge that was passed down over the last 30 plus years, because we were simply at the mercy of what we could handle from a tribal knowledge standpoint. We're so much less dependent on any one particular person because everything's in a system now. Within 30 hours a week, one employee dispatched multiple millions of pounds of product per month and hundreds of unique locations. Headlight was able to really customize the TMS software for chemical distribution, and all the data that we need to capture and that we need to maintain to be regulatory compliant, it's in the system. We're as much in the logistics business as we are in the chemical business. So really having a firm handle on every cost associated with transporting goods and being able to manage those, set goals, manage to the goals, and ultimately scale and operate more efficiently without adding additional cost. We entered into the relationship with Headlight, and it's been a great fit for us. Couldn't ask for much more in terms of a TMS solutions provider.